Welcome back to Sharp Creative Mathematics channel, my dear students. So from today onwards, we are going to start our revision. So the first chapter is rational numbers. So let us see a few model questions, like what type of questions are being going to ask in the final exam question paper. These are most likely questions that we are going to get. Now the first part of the rational numbers contains prime factorization. Suppose if a question is asked for you to find the factors of 120 or write 120 in its prime factors. Write 120 in its prime factors, or what are the prime factors of 120? That can be the question. Or it can be like the factors of the prime factors of 120 are 120 are. So then they will give you the options like A, B, C and D. So the first option is going to be like what are the prime factors of 120? It's like going to be 2 raised to 3 into 3 into 5. Then option B, suppose they'll give 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2 into 5, and then they may give 2 raised to 2 into 3 into 5 raised to 2, and option D is 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2. So unless and until you don't know the method to find the prime factors, you're not going to guess any answers here. Okay, so now we are going to see how we are going to find the prime factors of 120. So I'm going to write 120 over here, and then I'm going to draw a line like this, and then I'm going to go on dividing this with the basic prime number, that is 2. See, 2, 6 are 12 and 0 as it is, and 2 3s are 6 and 0 as it is, and 2 15s are 30, and now I cannot divide 15 by another 2 because 15 is, it will not come in the tables of 2. So I have to take now next prime number, that is 3. So 3 5s is 15. I cannot divide 5 with 3 because 5 will not come in the table of 3. So now I have to take 5 ones are 5. So I have to go on doing this type of division until I get the last number as 1. Okay, now if I want to write all these numbers, see, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So the factors of 120, what are they? See, 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3. So 2 raised to 3 into 3 how many times? 3 is only one time, and 5 how many times? 5 is also only one time. So our option A is going to be the right answer. So this is how we need to practice ourselves to find the prime factors. Okay, and then now if I ask you to find the factors of 120 76, let us take the prime factors of 176. What are we going to find? We are going to find the prime factors. We are going to find the prime factors. So 176, you need to keep on dividing this 176 with the basic prime numbers. So look at the last number in 176. Since the last number is 6, so we can divide this by 2. So in the same way, if the last numbers are 8 and then 4 and then 2 and 0, so these numbers in the units place, if they are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, you can divide it using the prime number 2. So if I take the prime number 2 here. It's going to be 2 8s are 16, but here we have 17. So from 17, if we subtract 16, 1 is going to remain. Now this 1 and this 6, it's going to be like 10 plus 6, 16. 2 8s are again 16. So 2 88s are is 176. If I take again 2, because we have the units place as 8, so I told you if we find all these numbers you can divide it by 2. So again in the ones place we have 8, so we can divide it by 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 4s are 8. So you can see again in the units place we have 4, so again you can take 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. Now you can see again in the ones place you have 2, so again you take 2 1s are and 2 1s are. But now we got 11, which we cannot divide by 2 or nor with any other number. So unless and until it is divisible by its own self. So you see that we have divided the entire thing, and unless we get 1, we are not going to stop. So what are the factors of 176 now? 176 has factors as 2 to the power 4, that means 2 4 times, and into 11 1 time. So these are the factors of 176. So in the same way you can try for your homework like the other numbers. 144, need to find the factors. You can write your answers in the comment box. 3150 you can take, okay, and then you can take 200, and then you can take 140 or 108. Okay, so now in this concept I just want to tell you that they will give you such question and they may ask you to find the value of excuse me. Okay, I'll take another question. See, question number 3. If 200 is equal to 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n, then find the value of m and n. So we need to find the values of m and n. So this is again going to be in the same form what we have learnt it just now. So we need to write this 200 again, and we need to just go on dividing using the, can you tell me which number I should use to divide here? Because the ending number, that is the, in the units place we have 0, we need to divide it by 2, which is the least prime number. So 2 1s are 2 and both the zeros as it is. Again you can take 2 5s are 10 and single 0 as it is. Then you can take 2 2s are 4, but we have 5, we don't have 4 here. 2 2s are 4. From this 5, if I take away 4, 1 will remain. So again 2 5s are is 10 now, but you cannot divide 25 with 2. So I am going to take direct prime number, that is 5. 5 5s are 25, and the last one is 5 1s are 5. I told you that we need to keep on dividing until we get 1. Now we have 2 3 times, 1 2 3. So 2 raised to 3 into 5 we have 2 times, so 5 raised to 2. So when we compare this with the given number 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n, you can see that, you can see here I show you this 3 2 raised to m, this is 3, that is going to be, therefore the value of m is going to be 3. And now if I show you, here is 2 and here is n, 5 raised to 2, and then the value of n is going to be 2. So you can find the value of m and n in the same way. Okay, the same question can be asked like this: if 200 is equal to 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n, then option A, m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 3. Option B, m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. Option C, m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. And then option D, m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 2. So unless and until we try this, we do this problem, we are not going to guess it in any way which answer is going to be right. So this is the way that we need to do this. Okay. So this is the basic thing that we have done. So I have given you some questions. This may come in 1 mark question. 1 mark question. I have already given you certain problems for homework, so you can do those problems for your homework. Okay. So these are your homework problems. In the next class, we will learn how to find HCF and LCM. Okay, and questions based on these we are going to learn in the next class. Okay, in the next class. So please share this video and keep on practicing, and then subscribe to my channel. So we are going to take it as a challenge, and in the first chance we are going to pass if you do whatever said homework and if you practice whatever things are being taught here. Okay, so all the best. Bye bye.